Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add songs to Spotify that are not on Spotify itself. Now before we begin, you are going to need Spotify Premium if you want to add the songs from your phone. But if you don't have Spotify Premium, then you need to add the songs onto your account using Spotify on your desktop or laptop. And from there you can add the song to a playlist to listen to it on your phone. To begin, open the Spotify app and go to the top left where it's three dots. From there on, you want to go to Edit and Preferences. And if you scroll down, you should find Show Local Files. From here, you simply want to enable this and make sure these two are both checked. Afterwards, you want to go to your library and local files. From here, any MP3 files that are on your desktop, you can find here. And from there, you can add one of these songs to your playlist. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of sound effects because I used to do game development, but for you, it should be MP3 files like this song or this song or this song and this song. Anyways, that's the tutorial. If you want to add it to your playlist, you just want to go right here and go to add to playlist and you have your playlists. Other than that, thank you for watching. If you have any difficulties, make sure to comment down below and we'll try to resolve them. Have a good day.